Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Make sure your device already has a fingerprint enrolled and that WhatsApp is updated. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Account, then Privacy. You'll see Fingerprint Lock as an option. Don't delay here. Tap that entry to view the toggle in Settings. This first step connects the app's lock mechanism to the system fingerprint, so make sure your system fingerprint works at the lock screen before progressing to enable the feature. You enable the lock by toggling Fingerprint Lock on. You'll immediately get a biometric prompt to verify your identity. Complete that. Next, choose an auto lock interval like immediately, 1 minute, or 30 minutes depending on your workflow. Make sure WhatsApp has permission to use biometrics, otherwise the toggle won't stick. Also review whether chat previews should appear in notifications while locked. Take a moment to understand these choices, because they determine. Now test the setup. Lock WhatsApp or wait the auto lock time, then unlock using your fingerprint. Try several presses and angles. If it's inconsistent, re-enroll the fingerprint in system settings. This often fixes recognition problems. If issues persist, clear WhatsApp cache, reboot the phone, and confirm both OS and app updates are installed, then re-enable the lock. One key troubleshooting tip: if the biometric prompt never appears, revoke and re-grant biometric permission for WhatsApp and re-verify in Privacy. This usually resolves permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.